All right, we got our blank all cut out, trimmed, everything labeled. I took our paper pattern here and transferred everything over, offset the edges with tape, cleaned everything up, cut it out, and now we're ready to start shrinking. So I'll go over to the power hammer with the thumbnail dies and we'll shrink where we have it labeled here. The initial first set of shrinks. I'll zoom in here, you can check that out. So I used the thumbnail die on the MH19 power hammer just to put the initial start of the shrinks to get the compound shape in. So we'll kind of test fit this. I'm not paying attention to this part now because that's just all form with a basic radius. So I'm checking mainly the corner here where I put all the shape in, and I can come up and look up underneath here. And I can see that we still need a little more shrink here and kind of blend that out back through here. So with me shaping this piece and leaving it long, and there needs to be a reverse section to kind of flow that back out, I can't really check it to the buck at this stage because it needs to be able to have that reverse in it. So since I use the fender to design the buck, I'm using the fender kind of as a buck to see how close we're getting. And it's getting pretty close. So there's the piece. And it'll essentially go here. I just have to lay out and put that reverse in, which is going to be the next step. So I'll do a little bit of a close-up on this, and then I'll go back to laying out for the reverse, and we'll start shaping that.
This is my transmission, I know I sound insane. Please just listen.
yesterday I got this piece pretty much roughed in and mostly planished out. There's still some wavy spots up here at the top that I want to work out. Got it clecoed on there yesterday, and then kind of thinking at it overnight, I think what I want to do is I want to move this radius up a little bit so this kind of comes up and gets thinner and gives more of an angled approach up to the top. So today I'm going to lay that line out and kind of adjust and migrate that radius up a little bit. I can do that versus having to remake the whole piece. So I'll kind of move that line up and we'll go from there on it.